Here we are.
We're here. Oh wow. Good morning everybody. It's Saturday, which means it's RSPB bird watching day. We are here. And just getting out the car. Oh mate. They're in my way.
Yeah.
Bip, bip. Let's go and see who is here. No, a bit warmer this morning. Oh, we can see people. Terry's transport. Oh, chicks.
Didn't even let him out.
Yeah.
Daddy, can I collect the eggs?
So there's the red shed. There's our amazing greenhouse. And the patio that Ian's working on. Still bits to do.
You'll break it.
And then, oh, got Judy. Hello, Judy.
Morning.
Do you want to introduce yourself with the camera?
Morning, Fun from Garden Organic. We're here today to do a little bird watching activity, and also we're going to make some lovely bird feeders out of apples. And yeah,
Cool.
good morning.
Good morning. There's Terry. Say hello, Terry.
Hello.
And then there's Tony.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, right, and they knew, didn't they? That's what you done yesterday. Just want to quickly show you our chickens. Ian's already done the egg collection this morning. Just show you.
Why don't you help me make the cross?
What are we doing, Judy?
Where it goes on. Do you want to help me?
Oh, that's really cool.
So
I think there can be more.
come along and be able to choose between the nuts or a bit of apple.
Cool.
So
Who made that one?
Holly did.
Holly?
Show it off, Holly.
Put it up, Holly.
Daddy.
Wow.
Dad.
And we were going to hang it up outside.
Daddy.
Cool.
Dad.
Right, so where's James's one?
James, how are you getting on?
How you doing, James?
Do you want to show us what you've done? Do you want to show Nikki what you've done?
Yes.
Show
Oh,
Nikki.
Daddy.
Right, I think, James, you're doing really well there, but let's get just a few more in round the bottom. Yeah?
James is excited. I can see.
I'll take it outside, please.
And
So put it
who's
that way for you.
this? Milo, what are you doing? What are you doing, Milo? You don't know? Just standing, chilling. Yeah. See what Ez is doing. Ez, say hi to Nikki. Morning, Ez. Are you going to make a bird feeder? No, not today. Morning, Katie. Morning. Some seeds and plants. The children potted last week. Lots of them.
I'm finished, Dad.
And we're going to hang them up outside in a moment. Good morning, Sam.
No, don't do that.
Don't do you. Okay, right, so.
Done it to everyone else.
Right, look, we're going to show Nikki what we're doing. So, Dan has just made a hole right through the middle of the apples. And then the children are getting sunflower seeds, putting them into the apples. Here they are, aren't they? Sunflower seeds. Pushing them into the apples like ours has done there, and Edley's done here, and Milo's done there. And then when they have finished, we're getting the 2 pieces of twig, hanging them through the middle of the apple like that, and then hanging them on the trees outside so the birds can come and eat either the apple or the seed, whatever they want to.
Right feast for the birdies then.
Lovely food for the birds.
Oh, hold on, look. It's my little bird wanting his food. Okay. Okay, so Shepway Shallots have been busy this morning. They're going to show everyone what they've been doing. Let's go this side.
Can I have some mixes? Thank you.
It's very easy to lose. Here you go,
Okay, they're going to hang them on the little tree.
Milo, pass it here.